Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're getting skin deep on two of the biggest treatments in skincare, hydrofacials and microneedling. We're going to break down what they do, who they're for, and honestly, how they're totally different. That way, you can figure out which path makes the most sense for your skin.
So let's just jump right in, because this is really the main question, isn't it? Choosing between them isn't about which one's better. It's about what's better for you, right now. It all boils down to this. Are you looking for that instant, amazing glow? Or are you in it for a more gradual, lasting repair?
Exactly. That's the choice we're exploring. Are we looking for a quick refresh, maybe for a big event, or are we ready to invest some time in a deeper, more structural kind of repair? Let's take a look at how each one gets the job done.
Okay, so here are our two different paths. You can kind of think of the Hydrafacial as the instant polisher. It's all about cleansing, exfoliating, and pumping your skin full of hydration for that immediate wow factor. But on the other hand, you've got microneedling. That's the deep remodeler. It uses a completely different method to get your skin to rebuild itself from the inside out.
So let's kick things off with the hydrofacial. This one is famous, and for good reason. It delivers that fresh, smooth, super dewy look with basically zero downtime. It's all about getting that instant boost.
And here's how it works its magic. It's this all-in-one process you get in a single session. First, a really nice, deep cleanse. Then, exfoliation to get rid of all that dull, dead skin. That's followed by a super gentle extraction to clear out your pores. And the best part? That final step where all these amazing, powerful serums are pushed right into your fresh, clean skin.
So who is the perfect person for a hydrofacial? Well, it's pretty much a no-brainer if your main complaints are things like dullness, feeling dry, or having clogged pores. If your skin just feels kind of blah and you want a fast, reliable refresh with absolutely no downtime, especially if you've got a wedding or a big party coming up, this is your go-to.
All right, let's completely switch gears and talk about microneedling. This treatment, it works on a totally different principle. Instead of just focusing on what's happening on the surface, it's designed to wake up your skin's own natural repair system way down deep.
So how does it do that? Well, the treatment uses these tiny needles to create thousands of controlled micro-injuries in the skin. Now, I know that might sound a little intense, but they're incredibly small and precise. This whole process basically sends a signal to your body to rush collagen and elastin into the area to heal and rebuild. It's literally renewing the skin from the inside out.
And because it works on this much deeper level, microneedling is way more corrective. It's really aimed at people who want to remodel their skin's texture, smooth out old acne scars, soften fine lines, and tackle things like hyperpigmentation over time. It's all about creating firmer, smoother skin for the long haul.
It's really not about just getting that surface brightness, it's about a much longer-term rejuvenation. Think of it like this. A hydrofacial is like polishing the leaves on a tree to make them look beautiful and shiny right now. Microneedling, that's like strengthening the roots so the whole tree is healthier and more resilient for years to come.
Okay, let's do it. Let's put these two treatments right next to each other, head to head, to make the differences totally, 100% crystal clear.
This table just lays it all out so perfectly. You can see that clear divide, right? The goal for a hydrofacial is an instant polish, perfect for when you're feeling dehydrated. The action is all about cleansing and hydrating the surface. Meanwhile, microneedling is all about deeper repair, going after things like scars and texture by kicking your collagen into gear. And the biggest difference? Immediate results versus a gradual but much more profound improvement.
This quote from one of our sources just says it all, doesn't it? The decision really comes down to your main goal. Is it to refresh the surface for an immediate effect, or is it to repair the underlying structure for a long-term one? Depth and time, that's the game.
And when you look at the timeline, the difference is huge. A hydrofacial delivers that instant satisfaction. You walk out of the appointment looking and feeling better, period. But microneedling, that's a journey. The best results build up slowly over a series of treatments as your skin does its thing and goes through that whole renewal cycle.
So after all that, the big question is still there. How do you actually decide which path is the right one for your skin, right here, right now?
Okay, let's make this super simple. A hydrofacial is probably for you if you're thinking, ugh, my skin just feels so dry and looks so dull, or my pores feel really congested. If you want something gentle, soothing, with literally no downtime, this is an amazing choice.
On the other hand, if you look in the mirror and you're really bothered by some acne scarring, or you feel like your skin texture is uneven, or you see fine lines that you want to deal with for the long term, well, then you should seriously be looking at microneedling. It is designed to target those exact kinds of structural issues.
And you know what? Here's something that's so important to remember. This doesn't always have to be an either-or decision. Actually, these two treatments can work together beautifully as part of a bigger skincare plan. You could get Hydrafacials for regular maintenance and that gorgeous glow, and then do a series of microneedling sessions once a year to work on that deeper repair.
So at the end of the day, it all comes back to you. The absolute best treatment is the one that lines up with your personal skin goals. Are you looking to write a brilliant, glowing new chapter for right now? Or are you more focused on building a stronger, healthier foundation for all the years to come? The choice is